Hi, my name is Pedro and this is on my function. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to interact with MetaMask in your React application using the Context API. It's going to be a very simple integration, but it can give you like an overview of everything that you need to start your Web3 application. So let's go for it. So I've created a simple Create React app and I've deleted a few things. And let's start with the Ethereum context that I told you that I was about to create. So this is going to be ethereum provider.tsx, and here what I want to do first is to create the wrapper that is going to wrap the context in. So const ethereum provider equals lambda function and returns this export default ethereum provider. And then here I want to have a children, and this children is gonna have a React node type. And here inside I have to pass children. Cool. Now I have to go here and wrap this into an Ethereum provider. And it's basically gonna render the provider, and that's it. I'm not going to use this right now. Let's make it bigger. Cool. So now what I need to do is check if the Ethereum exists on the screen. If so, I have a state to say that, yeah, it works. And then I have to create a way to connect to the MetaMask wallet if possible, and then to give me the account. So I can use this account to do stuff and validate messages and etc. On this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a simple app just to list your account on the screen. Cool. So here I need two states, right? So const account, set account, use state, and like this, and const is Ethereum enabled and set Ethereum enabled equals use state as false. Cool. So now I have to check. So const use effect. It's a main life cycle. I just want to run it once. If I don't have to check the if, it's simpler to do it like this. Const Ethereum equals window.as any, and if Ethereum, and if not Ethereum, actually I'm going to set Ethereum enabled as false. But here, if it passes, because I'm gonna do an early return, I'm going to set Ethereum enabled as true. Cool. Now let's console log is Ethereum enabled, just make sure that it works. The Ethereum is not enabled. Yeah, I don't need to pass it. I'm not going to use it. So the second thing then is to connect to the wallet. To do that, I'm going to create an external function. So const connect wallet is an async function that receives no arguments. I'm going to pass this to here and make it run once, like this. And here I already know that I have Ethereum enabled. Ethereum, the MetaMask Ethereum object that MetaMask gives us, gives you a bunch of things, but I'm going to only talk about the request with the method request accounts. So accounts is await ethereum.request, and then method is request account. Oh, it's actually eth request accounts, and I'm gonna console log the accounts. Cool. So here I have my account enabled. If I didn't, what would happen is that MetaMask would basically throw a login form here so I could log in and enable MetaMask here because I'm requesting the account. So cool is an array, as you can see. I just need the first one. So the account is equal accounts 0, and then what I need to do is set account as account. Cool. So now I have these two variables that I don't use inside. Let's create a context then. Ethereum context, create context, and oops. And as I'm using TypeScript, I'm gonna pass null as like this, and here is gonna be an object or null. And if it's an object, then it's account, that is a string, is Ethereum enabled as a boolean, and connect wallet, that is a function that returns a promise with nothing, so it's void. Cool. So now I can create the Ethereum context.provider here and close it, Ethereum context provider, and the value is account, is Ethereum enabled, and connect wallet. And then I pass the value here, and I can use it inside of our application. To make it easier, I can create a hook. So const use Ethereum, and I'm gonna get context, use context, and then pass the Ethereum context. If, as I said, this can be null, or I can be using this outside the Ethereum provider. If no context, then throw new error, must be used inside Ethereum context, and then return context. And then here I'm gonna export use Ethereum. With that, I can go here and eth equals use Ethereum, and as it's gonna return this no matter what, I can actually destructure it. So account is here, and I can put the account on the screen like this, reload, and it's here. And yeah, that's how you get your wallet on the screen. Yeah, there are a few other things to keep in mind, like if the user changes his Ethereum wallet, you want to actually change this thing, but yeah, you don't need to learn that right now. If you want to know more about Ethereum, or if you want me to create another videos using MetaMask and React, please let me know on the comments below. And if you have any questions, please send them on the comments. So this is a very shallow introduction of Ethereum. And if you want to know more, please let me know in the comments. If you like the video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, really helps. And that's it. I see you soon, and bye bye.